Now, dear student, we want to practically electromagnetic induction. I will tell you practically electromagnetic inductions. It is a coil and it is a galvanometer, and galvanometer connect with the coil. Okay, and now it is the permanent magnet. It is also known as the bar magnet, and it had two poles, north and south. Clear? There is no issue of north and south poles, okay? Because we want to hear only electromagnetic inductions. When this magnet goes towards the coil and during this process, galvanometer shows deflection. Okay? Means when this magnet goes towards the coil, the galvanometer needle oppose the motion of magnet. Okay? And second process is when this magnet goes backward from the coil, it is goes opposite direction of the coil, then again galvanometer shows deflection. It means due to the motion of magnet, galvanometer must be show the deflections. Okay, this is the phenomena is called electromagnetic induction, right? How many steps to understand about electromagnetic inductions? We will discuss it. First is, you can observe it, the relative motion of magnet and coil. Okay. First step is relative motion of magnet and coil. Coil is also moves towards the magnet and also goes opposite direction from the magnet. Okay. So relative motion of the magnet and coil. Second step is, due to this process, magnetic flux must be changed, which linked with the coil. Okay, which linked with the coil. Remember this thing. Hence, this is the linked magnetic flux. Linked magnetic flux in coil. Magnetic flux must be changed. Magnetic flux change due to relative motion of magnet or coil. Magnet and coil. And our third step is, due to the magnetic flux change in the coil, induced EMF means induced electromotive force is induced EMF for electromagnetic force generate in the coil. It is the third step of electromagnetic induction. Induced electromotive force generates in the coil. It is generated due to the change of flux, and change of flux due to the relative motion of magnet and coil. And now fourth step is due to induced EMF, or when induced EMF established in the coil, there is current flows in the coil. Means this type of current is called induced current. Induced current flows in the coil. Okay. So four steps define the total description about electromagnetic induction. If relative motion does not take place, there is no phenomena occurs. Okay. If magnetic flux does not be changed, there is no electromagnetic induction. If induced EMF is not established in the coil, there is no electromagnetic induction. And last step, induced current does not be flow in the coil, it means there is no phenomena of electromagnetic induction. Okay, so remember always, if you want to describe about electromagnetic inductions describe with the help of four steps. Okay.